Learn all about the B1 preliminary, PET, registration and exam dates. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving deep into the B1 preliminary, PET, exam, specifically focusing on the registration and exam dates. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to get registered and when to expect your exam. Let's get started. The B1 preliminary is an intermediate-level qualification in English that opens the door to a wide range of exciting academic and professional opportunities. It's recognized worldwide and proves you have mastered the basics. Registration isn't just about signing up. It's about committing to your English learning journey. By registering, you're securing a spot to showcase your skills and take a step closer to your goals. 1. Find a test center. Your first step is to find an authorized test center near you. 2. Choose a date. Test centers offer various dates throughout the year. Pick a date that gives you ample time to prepare. 3. Fill in details. Provide your personal and payment details. 4. Confirmation. Once registered, you'll receive a confirmation detailing your test date, location, and other vital information. As the day approaches, remember to 1. Review. Go over your materials and practice regularly. 2. Stay calm. It's natural to feel nervous, but remember, you're well prepared. 3. Arrive early. On the exam day, ensure you get to the venue early. This gives you time to relax and familiarize yourself with the environment. 4. Bring necessary documents. Always have identification and any necessary documents required by the test center. Once you've taken the exam, 1. Wait for results. Results are usually available within a few weeks. 2. Celebrate. Regardless of the outcome, remember that taking the exam is an achievement in itself. Celebrate your efforts and dedication. There you have it, a comprehensive overview of the B1 preliminary, PET, registration and exam dates. We hope this video helps simplify the process for you. Always remember, every step you take in your language learning journey is a step towards greater opportunities. Best of luck, and happy learning!